Welcome to this video on our new expenses feature. First, to gain access to this, you'll need to go to the Super Admin menu, to Options, Opportunities and then select Yes on Use the in-app Managed Expenses module. Now you have the ability to manage expenses enabled. When you create a new opportunity, or manage an existing one, you'll have the option to mark it as Managed Expenses and Expenses Paid. Expenses paid simply means that volunteers will be reimbursed. In this case, you should add details about what expenses are paid and if there's a cap on the amount. Managed expenses means volunteers will be able to upload expense claims which can then be managed by administrators. Managed expenses are always also marked as expenses paid. If selected, volunteers will be able to upload expense claims which can then be managed by administrators. Managed expenses are always also marked as expenses paid. Once your opportunity is created and a volunteer has completed it, or has completed a session, they will have the ability to claim expenses as shown here. First, they will need to enter their bank details. Then they simply choose an opportunity, give a reason for the claim, any further information, the value of their expense, and upload a picture of their receipt. On the admin side, you can deal with all expenses by going to Volunteer Management, then Expenses. Click Manage on an expense and you can change its status, authorize it, or deny it. The volunteer will then see that it's been approved. I hope this was useful. If you have any further questions, use the support page within your site. Or contact us via the live chat feature. Thanks for watching.